Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the steps to enable all sound effects on the Discord app for PC after the latest update. If you've noticed some sounds are missing when using Discord, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will help you turn all of them back on so you never miss a notification or alert again. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Wait a moment for everything to load, and then look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to it is a small gear icon. This is the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a lot of different options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Select it to open up the related settings. Now, this is the part most people overlook. Inside Streamer Mode, Discord sometimes disables sounds to prevent distractions during broadcasts. That's why some users suddenly lose certain notification sounds without realizing it. What you need to do is make sure the option that says Disable Sounds is turned off. More importantly, look for the setting called Prevent Disable Sounds. Turn this setting on. By enabling this, you're telling Discord to always keep your sounds active, even when streamer mode is running. Once you've adjusted that, you're basically done. After hitting this option, all the sound effects in Discord, like message notifications, call alerts, and server join sounds, should start playing normally again. It's a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly your Discord experience works. No more wondering if you missed a call or a message. With sounds enabled at all times, you'll always stay in the loop. And that's it. Just by opening Discord, going into Settings, heading over to Streamer Mode, and activating Prevent Disable Sounds, you've fully restored all sound effects on your PC. Try it out, and you'll hear the difference instantly.